Hi guys, today we will learn how to install Jamovi software and how to download it. First of all, we download the Jamovi software. So we go to jamovi.org. So here is the Jamovi official website and we download for desktop. These are up to version for Windows, latest features and recommended for most users. I downloaded the recommended version. I already downloaded the Jamovi software, so I cancel it. And now we see how to install the Jamovi software. So we open downloaded file and run as administrator. So please click on yes. Click on install button. So installing is started. Now wait for installation. Installation is completed. So click on finish. So I have installed the movie software. Now I open the program. So I have installed and opened the movie software. You can see window. Now we see how to learn the movie software and where is his course material. So for course material, we go to datalab.cc and tools slash the movie. So here is Jamovi helping material to learn Jamovi software. Here is course information. There are 56 streaming video tutorials, 4 hours course created by Barton Paulson. So you can download the free course file here, and this is table of contents of the movie course exploration t-test nova. So thank you so much for watching these videos.